Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall a screen door cylinder. Okay, it's now screen doors, cylinders, they take Euro profile cylinders, most screen doors. Okay, so if you have a screen door lock like this, it takes a Euro cylinder or Euro profile cylinder. Okay, which is this thing here, this is your cylinder. Now with some locks, when you buy them, they don't come with the cylinder supplied. You do actually have to purchase it on its own. Okay, that's what I had to do when I purchased this Whipco Tasman. So the tools you need to remove the cylinder is just a Phillips head screwdriver and of course the key. You do need the key to get the cylinder out. Okay, and I'll show you why. Alright, so first of all, to get the cylinder out, we need to remove the screw. Okay. So to do that, you need to use a screwdriver. Some people like to do it this way. Okay, to remove the cylinder, we actually have to put this lock in the locked position. So we need to turn the key and lock it. As you can see on the top there, the 3-point locking latch has projected, so now it's locked. Okay, so now we can remove the screw. So you just put the screwdriver in and you unscrew it like this, if you can see that. So there's our screw right there. Okay, and now if I don't have the key, I won't be able to take the cylinder out. So if I take the key out, the cylinder won't come out because you need the key. Okay, you need to turn the key and now you can pull the cylinder out. Okay, so there's our cylinder right there. It's a Euro profile cylinder made by Carbine. Okay, now this is a floating cam. Okay, so what that means is that when the key's out, the cam will actually move. Okay, so what screen doors use. Alright, so now we're going to reinstall it. To reinstall it, we just slide it back into the door. Okay, we slide it in. Okay, now we can turn our key to unlock the door. Now the top part has retracted. And now we put our screw back in. Okay, find the hole. Alright. Okay, and now we tighten it back up. Okay, now you don't want to do it too tight because sometimes with these Whipco locks it sometimes can cause it to malfunction. You turn the key, be sure the top and bottom part are protruding and retracting. Okay, and now you're done. So that's basically it. So that's how you remove and change a screen door cylinder. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.